Everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can simply change a card in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Call of Duty, and when you're here you want to click here on Barracks, and then just click here on Identity, and then you're gonna see here calling cards. Click on it, and then you can choose like whatever card you want, like a country or roadbuster, or just choose which one you like. So that's pretty much it. Thank you, everybody. If you have any questions, ask down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, buddy. Goodbye.